Okay, your time, please, to ask.
Angga bulan.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tes, tes, tes. Kedengeran, Bas? Ibu-ibu semuanya?
Dengaran.
Siap,
Oke.
kedengaran tuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Okay. All praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us health so that we can gather in the discussion, even in good health. The first, I would like to say thank you very much for your attendance to join in our program of English community, especially Subrayon 8.
3.
Tiga ya. Astagfirullahaladzim. Maaf lah, jadi Subrayon 8. sorry.
Kaum.
Ya Allah, kawer bu.
Tenang aja.
Jadi ingat dulu.
Okay. Before to continue, let me introduce our team. But I'm so sorry because our team is not full because each others has something to do maybe. Mr. Jamal
In Mekah ya.
Okay, is in Mekah and ya yang lainnya gitu Bu ya. I'm so sorry. My English is mixed, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I will continue. We are from SMPN 3 Soreang. I am Rani. I am as a moderator. And my friend Miss Aas as a presenter of this discussion. And in this moment, we are presenting about language teachings innovation at SMPN 3 Soreang. And in this moment, or the schedule for this meeting, I will divide it into two sessions. The first is opening, which I have already read Bismillah, and at the beginning, and the second is the presentation of the material, and the third may be closing. Okay. Untuk selanjutnya, the mic
Sambutan dulu sebentar ya.
Oh, sambutan dulu. Dari siapa? Oh, dari Ibu ya. Sorry, Bu.
Iya.
Okay. Before to continue the material, I will give the mic to Miss Tariana. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. I really appreciate you taking the time to our meeting today, which is officially get started. To begin, I'd like to extend my warm welcome to all members who have joining this meeting. I hope our meeting today will give us meaningful knowledge and increasing our insight, especially about active learning. And I'd like to say my great gratitude for the teachers of SMP 3 Soreang who have prepared all the materials to be discussed tonight. So please, all the members, be active and well participated in this meeting. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you very
warahmatullahi
much.
Jamal ada. Kok Pak Jamal masuk?
Insya Allah, live from Mekah.
Pak
Thank you.
Jamal kenapa
Welcome,
masuk?
Mr.
Okay,
Jamal.
thank you
Welcome.
Pak Jamal.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Tariana. Okay, the mic I will give the Miss Aas.
Okay, thank you for the chance to the moderator, and I will uh, show you a slide. Maybe can you see it?
Yes.
Is it already there?
Yes, I can see the picture, the presentation.
Okay, okay. But before I start to present our presentation, our material, let's have an ice breaking. Okay. Uh, Now, can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yes, I see.
Hello?
Not so
Yes.
big.
Talk
Can
very
you
clearly.
One of you,
close?
come on. Can you find the spot, the five difference? Anyone?
The
Uh,
birds.
One, the birds,
The
okay. Which
bird.
bird?
Figure of the birds.
Yeah,
I
The top is
this one?
tree and the under is two.
the paper plane.
Paper glue.
the paper, the blue
Okay.
paper.
The
We
paper
have
Number two, the
the
book
plane.
food.
paper.
Mm-mm.
And then the snail
Snail.
The snail, where is
on the right
this
bottom.
one? On the right bottom. Okay,
On
the
the right
purple one.
bottom.
Three, okay. Four,
Um,
which one?
oh, the apples. The
The
apples?
apples. What happened with the apples?
They're missing one.
The missing one. Which one?
On the right tree.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the last one. Five.
The
Difference.
tree.
The
The tree.
flowers. The
The
flowers.
flower. Flower.
The flowers. What
Flowers
happened with the
On
behind
the
the
left
flowers?
tree.
tree.
The flowers behind the
There's
tree.
missing one.
The second
Okay,
picture. Not
congratulations. You have
available.
found very good. Thank you. You have found
So clever.
the
Okay.
yeah. Give
Makanya
applause. I think
Give
it's
big
more
dekat
than
applause.
five,
laut.
Yeah.
Ya.
but yeah, it's more than five. But uh, congratulations. I used to give this ice breaking to my students, and usually they are active. Uh, Even for the slower ones, okay. And this is our team, SMPN 3 Soreang, Miss Email, uh, Miss Rani, Mr. Jamal, Miss Imas, and me, and Miss Lita, okay. Okay, uh, uh, sorry. Tonight, I'm going to present about English teaching innovation. English teaching innovation that I used to do in my class. Okay,
Was no sound, no voice. Halo, Buas. Ah, signal. Oke, Bu Aas. Bu Aas out. Halo Bu Rani, bisa membantu atau ini Bu Aas semua ini? Atau saya yang share aja screen-nya?
Eh, itu itu buas semua, Bu. Maaf.
Oh iya,
Ini lagi saya coba hubungi buasnya.
mhm,
Kayaknya sinyal ya, Bu.
iya.
Bentar.
Ya, jadi the problem when we have uh, online learning is a signal, and also communication tools. Nah, the two problem, big problem. For next meeting, please prepare from BM. If I'm not mistaken, BM, Bakti Mulia, BCI, and the others. Ini apa? Nah, itu ada Bu As ya. Halo Bu As. Saya share screen Bu As yang menjelaskan gitu ya. Bu As. Are you ready? Nah, ini apa namanya? Speakernya tidak unmute.
Buas.
Speakernya unmute.
So sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Eh, bisa dilihat presentasinya, Ibu?
Ada. Bisa ini
Oke.
nggak dibantu
Ada.
misalnya saya share, Anda yang menjelaskan?
Oh, boleh. Ibu aja yang share berarti ya?
Ya, oke, siap.
Iya, saya stop di sini sharing ya.
Ya,
Oke.
coba ya, dicoba.
Sorry for the inconvenience. So I make the assignment for my students is to enhance their skills on speaking and making videos, and they have to decide which topic they are into, and then it also enhance their the advantage is, if is it so in your screen? Okay. The advantage of making assignment is one, development of practical skill. They gain first-hand experience in creating various types of content text. And number two is audience understanding. They learn how to tailor content to specific target audience. And number three is creativity innovations. These tests encourage them to think creatively and generate engaging and original content ideas. Number four, for the advantage for this assignment is relevance to the working world. Social media content creation skills are highly sought after in various industries today.
Okay,
And the last
excuse me,
one
not too fast,
is
not too
practice
fast.
makes perfect.
Not too fast.
Okay,
The picture is
okay,
not
sorry.
shown yet.
Practice makes perfect. They repeat the content. Excuse me?
Uh, have you shown the picture or the presentation?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, which one
Page
do you
3,
want
maybe,
to
Miss.
explain this part?
Page 3, the advantage.
The
This is
advantage.
the social media content that I made in my classroom. This is the conversation, and they uploaded in AJ. And the two is uh, the English practical last year and this year. It's about they making podcasts, and I give them a sign to with the podcast with their family, with their friends, so it can encourage them and how to in speaking with their family. Some of them making the podcast with their mother, and it's I think it's very positive to uh, to connect their family more much better, something like that. And that is my innovations, my first innovation. And then the second one is, next page, please. Not this one. Number two, maybe.
Number two.
And if yeah, next page. Sorry, page 5.
I can see the page. Okay, this one.
Before, yeah. No. This next.
Next.
Yeah,
Hey.
this one. Working presentation. The picture, please. Now, the second innovation is presentation. So I give them assignment how to present a material in the process. So they search their material, and they make the PPT, the PowerPoint from themselves. They making it from in Canva, and they present it. I think the next page, please, Miss Tariana. The advantage for this, no. yeah, the advantage for this lesson is number one, enhance communication skills. They learn how to convey ideas and information clearly and effectively in front of the audience. And number two is uh, develop confidence. Public speaking can boost self-esteem and overcome nervousness. And number three, the advantage is improves critical thinking skills. They learn how to analyze informations like key points, present them in an engaging key. Number four is develop question answering skills. In after they present their material, of course they are answering and question skill, and they have to and they learn how to answer from their friends questions. Okay, they learn to think on their feet and answer question. And the last one is build connections. Presentation can be an opportunity to interact and build connection with the audience and peers. Well, of course, this is not as much as ideal as it seems in the picture, but not like we think, oh, they are asking question. No, it's not that easy. It's hard, but I think they have to uh, introduce the process by asking a question, how they presentation, how make they make PowerPoint, something like that. Okay, the next one is Miss, please. Okay, the third innovation is I make a worksheet. You can see the color is different. I differentiate them from every each class, such as 9A green, 9B purple, and 9C is pink. They decide which color they want based on their wish, yeah, their uh, their choices. uh, it's not expensive. They only buy 5,000 for the cover, and the material I used to copy that material maybe for one chapter maybe for about 7 or 8 papers, and it's only 2,000 rupiah. And if it runs out, and I will give them the new material. The material is contain of exercise. Yeah. Okay. Let me explain the advantages from these organized worksheets. Next chapter, please, Miss. Okay, the advantage of this organized worksheet is number one is independent learning. Worksheet provide a structured way for students to learn and work at their own pace. Number two is material comprehension. Engaging with the material through worksheets can deepen understanding. And number three is task completion skills. They help students learn how to interaction and complete tasks systematically. And number four, of course, save times. We don't have to write the question, the materials, the text in the blackboard. On the blackboard, the student is unnecessary to take notes or write questions imitating from the blackboard. And number five is accessibility. Worksheets can provide a tangible, accessible learning resources for all students, and I can get the material is from online worksheet from AI, and it's so easy and it's also cheap. So number six is tracking the assignment easily. Based on my experience, some people are late in doing assignments. So if they have sure material, sure assignment, I can track their assignment which is not finished and which are not finished. Okay. Next, that are the next innovation is working in group. Yeah, you can see we can easily assume the advantage. Next, Miss Mariana. The advantage of working in group is one, enhance communication skills, collaborating with peers, and number two is reduce anxiety. And if they want to uh, express some things, They don't have to say it to me, but they can say it to their friends. Perhaps, but of course, it will be more comfortable. Some students are not doesn't have that courage to speak to the teacher directly, so they can express it to the teacher to their friends. Sorry. Next, number three is motivation and engagement. And number three is building confidence. Successfully completing a test together as a group can boost students' confidence in their English abilities. Of course, it's not as easy as it seems, but yeah, a little uh, development. Then I I tell them the material directly. Thank you. Next, Miss. Okay, the fifth innovation I have done in my class is making mini dictionary. It is from the used paper, and uh, I can show you, but it's become a become 8 pages, and they decorate the papers. They put the vocabulary they want to write, and the vocabulary is easy to remember. I can explain more in the in the next page, please. Okay, the advantage is personalized vocabulary learning. Students actively engage in selecting and defining words that are new or challenging for them. This makes vocabulary acquisition more relevant and meaningful. So they can choose which one the word interesting for them, not by push uh, or paksaan, something like that. Yeah. Number two is increased autonomy. Yeah, they do it independently, and that's easy and accessible resource. They can bring it anywhere, and they want to read it. It's easy. Number four is tracking progress. They can track how many words they have collected from the first chapter to the next chapter. Okay, next. Okay, the last one. This is my favorite. Using AI. I use Gemini. I use Canva. I use DeepSeek for if I have some problems with my students, and how can I solve apa, the the problem classroom, and many more problems. And not also that, but I also get thousands of material. Okay, next, more advantage in the next page. Thank you. Okay, number one is increase efficiency. AI can help me manage time and resource more efficiently. Before I use AI, I take maybe a week making lesson plan, but by I can only maybe in one night I can do it so instantly. Okay, more student and centered teaching. Or AI enables more tailored, designed, responsive teaching to individual students. They can thousands of answers how to manage the students perfectly. Okay, number three is that data-driven decision making. AI provides data and analytics that can inform teaching decisions. And number four is innovation in pedagogy. I can instantly get the knowledge that I need to manage my students. Something like, I need to teach about procedure text. What can I do with, and I have uh, nothing methodology or something. So I ask AI, and the answers is quite satisfaction. Okay, next. I can, this is I use through AI. First, I make this present today with the help of AI. I only say, what is the, I only do I already did the what is it, the the lesson I have done in my class, but I sometimes I cannot express it. So I ask for AI from how what is the advantage of subject number one before uh, giving students media social, and this the answer is that I just read is from AI
Okay, next.
making lesson plan. I used to making 1 or 2 weeks to make lesson plan, but now it's shorter. Sebelumnya belum, Miss, excuse me. Okay, number two is seek for teaching inspiration, and number four is making certification, and number five is material needs. Next, Miss. Yeah, next. The certification. Next page.
Okay, wait a minute. Well, it's stuck. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay. This certificate I give to my my practical English. Last no, I haven't. I give I make them the name, and then the what is it, the predicate and the description, fair, good, and excellent. I made this with the help of AI. It's so make everything easier. Thank you. This is our innovations in SMP 3 Sorea. Thank you. If there are any question, maybe we can move to the next session. Miss Rani, I
Okay,
you.
thank you,
Thank
Miss
you.
Aas, for your presentation.
Yeah.
Maybe the second session is question. Is there any question, or maybe all of you will give addition or suggestion about our presentation? Silahkan, mangga ditunggu.
I think it's enough. Thank you.
Iya, kayaknya puas ya.
Yeah. The sooner the better.
Okay, Boaz, I'd like to ask you a question about presenting something. Did the student use English or in bahasa? Telling the text.
Uh, when I speak about concept, I it's okay not to say that in English. Yeah. In concept such as uh, I said model. Model is bla bla bla, or such as procedure text is adalah sebuah teks yang bla bla bla, such as like that. But dealing with examples, uh, I force them. I make them use them in English, something like that. So while I myself, if talking about concept of procedure text, or anything about concept, but English material concept, I use them in bahasa. But dealing with uh, examples, I use it in English.
Okay, and
But
I'd like to know what's the problem during this, what using this some innovation? What the problem or the obstacle do you face?
in presenting,
No, from all of the things of you have explained. Is there any
okay.
problem or is there any obstacle when you do this what this innovation to your student? Okay,
Oh
what
yeah.
is the problem that you face?
The main problem is, I think, the motivation of the students in collecting, yeah, in collecting the assignment, such as podcasts. They needs more time to finish the assignment, such as, I want you to do it in 1 week, the podcast. And you may believe that even until today, there are some students who hasn't uh, collect their podcasts. Even I threat them, ini kenapa sih susah banget gitu ya, something like that. And for the presentation, uh, itu kesalahan saya sih mungkin ya, ketika when I give them the same material, maybe I will not give them the same material, such as in the picture I give them the same material, model, yeah. All of the students, all the group, I give them the same assignment about model, and I think it's kind of boring. Maybe next time I will not give them the same material. Maybe I give them simple present, the first group, or the next is simple past tense, and we can see the most variety, not become a boring lesson. Misalkan, ih udah sama kayak aku seperti lagi. Jadi less attention maybe because they have already uh, reached that material. And the
Okay,
last is
so
also, yes.
the team that you assign to the student, it's
Yeah,
dealing with tenses or grammar like that. Is it in the podcast or
grammar.
in
I
the
used to,
presentation?
yeah, the grammar. I thought about the grammar because grammar is more
Is it in the
complicated.
podcast
Uh,
or in the presentation or both?
Excuse me, I cannot catch the question.
Okay, is this grammar, what the topic of grammar you assign to the student in the presentation or in the podcast?
Oh, in the presentation. In podcast, I only uh, grade them for the communication. And there are maybe in podcast, maybe they don't get the grammar, but I can understand them perfectly and fun, something like that. Maybe I can show you the podcast for my students. I will itu, I grade them uh, from many first perspectives, such as the location, the sound, and then the jokes, and something like that. Not only the grammar for the podcast, something like that.
Okay, it's very
Maybe I hope
interesting.
that.
Okay,
Uh,
can you show the example?
oh yes, of course. Wait a minute. Uh, you can click it on my presentation, Miss.
Oh, okay.
The from the uh, second page about after the in the picture, yeah, in page 3.
Oh, okay. Later on, maybe because I didn't. What's it's not opening WhatsApp. I'm not opening WhatsApp today.
uh, uh,
Okay, the laptop is slower, good
Wait a minute,
slower.
I think I can play it. Yeah, of course, mine too. Can you
Okay.
see it? It's loading. This podcast is from last year, and the below one is this year. They the this year this is Ayu and her sister, and I make the uh, apa itu namanya, persyaratan gitu, jadi you
Okay,
can do it with
requirement.
all your uh, ya with your ya not from your class. Bahkan ada yang sama ibunya loh Bu, seru banget.
Oh.
Ada yang sama pamannya gitu kan, itu
Okay, jadi it's look
sangat
like making a video, ya. It's like look like making a video, a real life, ya,
ya
about their real life.
ya 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 I give them the list of questions for me, and they answer it differently. Sorry,
Okay,
seems like
I think
I
it's enough. I
cannot.
think it's enough. Good example.
Yeah. Thank you for the question, Miss.
Okay, my
Okay,
pleasure.
thank you, Miss Tariana. From the others, is there any question or addition, maybe?
Budaya, budaya.
Ibu kedengaran suaranya?
Ada.
Ya, Ibu, kedengaran.
Iya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I really interested in the idea of mini dictionary.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's really interesting, and I think it's really simple, but to use it in the class, I think it enhance the motivation for students to making something that really they make it by themselves. And I really like the idea of using like recycled materials, and I I think I'm gonna try it in the next session in my class. So thank you, Miss
Yeah,
As,
thanks.
for yeah
Idea
this
is
meeting really enhance, yeah, because this is the first year for me for teaching English in junior high, because in the past I only teach in elementary, so I still kind of grasp how to teach a different level of students. So, and I still I'm still learning, of course. So um, it's like an addition. And thank you very much for your presentation and idea. And I will try your method in the classroom next year, perhaps. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Happy to to make you inspired. Maybe I can show you how to make it. Would you like to know?
Yes, thank you. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
this is a paper. You can use it because you only use one side. It's new, but you can use it on used paper. You only melipat, apa sih melipat? Fold like this, become two, and fold it again, and then fold it again, become like this. Okay. After that, you only merobek from this side to this side. Okay, I will show you. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Okay, it's not. Okay, after this, you will have this kind of paper. Can you see it? And then you only do this. And tada, you can have one tiny dictionary, one page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the cover of the paper. You only use one side of the empty seats, something like that.
Iya, jadi bisa menambah kreativitas anak kan ya gitu.
Yeah,
Jadi dia
you
bisa
can see
pilih gitu,
yeah, you can see the
customize gitu.
decorations of the students. It's cute, colorful.
Yeah, it's really great, I think. It's
Yeah,
really good idea. Apalagi modalnya tidak terlalu banyak ya.
yeah, you can use or use the papers in the office.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Jadi
It's
nggak
really
dijual ya Bu ya,
interesting.
jadi langsung bisa dipakai. Oke, thank
Yeah,
you. Okay, thank you.
yeah, I
That's
think that's
good.
improving.
New ideas to be imitated ya. Ini bisa lah. Oke. Mungkin yang lainnya ini ya, pada kemana ini? Apa ada orangnya?
Ada Bu, ada.
Oh iya, Pak ibadah Pak, jangan ke sini, harus ibadah fokus.
Doain kita, Pak, biar kita sebut nama kita. Say my name, say my name.
Pak Jamal udah sampai di sana? Kenapa masih buka
Belum,
Meet ya?
masih di Indramayu. Nanti tengah
Pantesan,
malam.
pantesan kirain udah ini berkeliling Ka'bah.
Belum. Nanti malam.
Ya, ini ya.
Semoga have a nice safe flight.
Thank you, Bu.
Baik ya,
Okay,
aman di sana, sehat,
okay,
lancar.
thank you for everyone.
Oke, yang lain mungkin yang lainnya ada question ini ya, bisa jadi masukan yang bisa kita pakai di sekolah masing-masing ya,
Ya, masukan
simpel,
juga
kemudian
berarti.
murah ya. Oke.
Iya betul Bu, yang simple dan murah.
Oke, yang lainnya mungkin ada yang yang mau ditanyakan atau ini, jadi takutnya hanya nama tapi nggak ada orangnya ini pada tidur.
Ada Bu.
Oke.
Mikirmu kemarin saya gitu.
Ada Bu, ada.
Ya, silakan. Ini ada yang mau ditanyakan atau semuanya sudah jelas gitu?
Iya, kayaknya sudah jelas Bu
Oh
ini.
iya, iya. Ya sudah kalau tidak ada ini mah Bu, ingin cepet ya. Bu Aas ingin cepet. Ada Bu Rina ada.
Ada Bu Rini.
Ada Bu Yulia. Bu Tanti siap
Silakan Bu
ya.
Rani tutup.
Minggu depan Bu Tanti dan
Oke,
kawan-kawan.
udah ini Bu, ini teh. Oke, thank you very much Bu As dan yang lainnya atas presentasinya. Mudah-mudahan apa yang
Itu Bu Rina Agustina.
Alhamdulillah.
apa yang kita bahas kali ini bisa bermanfaat bagi kita semua, khususnya kita sebagai guru bisa memberikan inovasi belajar kepada murid kita lebih baik lagi. Ini gimana, ditutup aja sama doa Ibu?
Ya, ditutup aja, kemudian nanti di-share di grup ya yang ininya presentasinya.
Oke, udah tuh. Mungkin untuk acara kali ini saya tutup dengan doa. Robbi auzi'ni an ashkura ni'mataka allati an'amta alayya wa ala walidayya wa an a'mala sholihan tardahu wa adkhilni bi rahmatika fi ibadikas sholihin. Rabbana hablana min azwajina wa dzurriyyatina qurrata a'yun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina azabannar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mangga.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Apa yang
Terima kasih Bapak Ibu.
Ya, hatur nuhun.